Alright, language explorers, let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So, cried his eyes out. Yeah. Cry his eyes out. Crying. Cry. Let's try and get a picture. Cry. Oh, yeah, perfect. Look at that. Cry his eyes out. Yes. Yes, exactly. So, to cry a lot and uncontrollably. Oh, uncontrollably. Can't control. Just a lot of crying. Very sad. Very sad about something. Very sad about something. Yes. Yeah. She cried her eyes out. Yeah. If that happens, then he might cry his eyes out. So to cry a lot, the eyes come out. Crying so much because something bad happened that the eyes come out their socket. Cry his eyes out. Exactly. If you do that, he will cry his eyes out. Yeah. Yeah. Careful with that, because if it doesn't work, she might cry her eyes out. She cried her eyes out because of what happened. Yeah. Without that, she will cry her eyes out. Yeah. So sometimes there might be bad news and they will cry their eyes out. So I don't cry my eyes out. I am bigger than my problems. Yeah. I can overcome them. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, cried his eyes out. Cry a lot and uncontrollably. Yeah, very good. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use cried his eyes out in a sentence? Write it in the comments below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. And Udemy too by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.